Hi friends, welcome to Demo Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to save a folium map as a PNG image using Selenium browser automation. Just by calling the save function on a folium map object, you can easily save it as a HTML file. It's literally a one-liner. But Folium doesn't provide an inbuilt method to save your map object as a PNG image. So how are you going to solve this problem? So the approach which I'm going to show you in this video is basically using Python. You open the HTML file in a browser, take a screenshot of it and save it as a PNG image. So that can be done even manually, but if you want to automate it using Python, you can use a method called browser automation, and Selenium is a great library for doing that. So the basic setup you need to require to perform the browser automation of opening the HTML file in a browser and saving it as a PNG image is you need to install the Selenium Python library first. So let's try to do that first. So first I'm going to take a command prompt and I'll just write python -m pip install selenium. So let's try to do that. I'll just write python -m pip install selenium. So if you run this command, you can install Selenium in your Python environment. So I've got it already installed, so I'm getting the requirement already satisfied, but in your PC you may get like installing Selenium module or something like that. So now I've completed the first step, which is running python -m pip install selenium, and the next step is basically downloading the Gecko driver. So in my case, in my development setup, I'm using the Firefox as a browser. So in order to make Selenium open the Firefox browser and do browser automation, it requires a Gecko driver, and you can download it from GitHub at this link which I've given in this blog post. Here, if you open the GitHub page of the Gecko driver releases, you can see they have provided release versions for multiple OSs, and here you can see the compatible version for me. Mine is Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to download the zip file now. So if I download this zip file and open that zip file, here you can see I've got an exe file. So this gecko driver.exe is what's going to help Selenium to open Firefox and perform its tasks. So I'm just going to copy this exe file and then I'm going to paste it in a blank folder where I'm going to write my code now. So now I've downloaded the gecko driver.exe and kept in my folder. So this is the second step in setting up your Python Selenium browser automation. So we have done the two steps in order to set up the Selenium automation. So now let's get started with our coding. So it's really simple to actually perform the Selenium browser automation to save the HTML file as a PNG. The first thing is you want to do webdriver.firefox. So what this does is it's going to open a Firefox window, and then you're going to say open the map URL. So basically the URL of the output.html file or whatever the HTML file you want to open, and then you're going to keep it waiting for 5 seconds or 3 seconds based upon your internet speed, so that your map tiles will be loaded from the internet. And then you just do driver.save screenshot and it saves the browser screen as a PNG file, and then you close the browser. So it's really simple process. You can do it manually also, but it's more clean, and it's basically you can repeat this process again and again so that it can be in a workflow. So now let's get started with the coding. So I'm going to take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with VS Code now, and then I'm going to create a new file called index.py, and then I'm going to write my code which creates the map here. So I'll write index.py here, and then I'll just write a code which will create a map with some circles on it. So I'm just going to copy this code now. So here till this point it will gonna create a map, and it will create the circles on the map and save it as output.html. You can see I'm saving the map object as output.html. So basically what this code does, if you don't understand that, you can see my previous videos where I've shown you the introduction to Folium Python library and how to draw circles using Folium Python library. So it's really simple code. So what it does is it basically creates some 3 circles and it's going to save the map as output.html. So let's quickly go through the code here. So first I'm creating a map using folium.map, and I'm centering it with my desired center location and desired zooming level. And then I'm taking array of 3 lists where I have the latitude, longitude and radius of each circle. So I'm iterating through each circle data, and I'm creating a circle on a Folium map and adding to the map, and then saving the map as output.html. So it's a really simple code. So let me try to run this now. You can see my code has been executed and it has created a file called output.html here. So if I just open this output.html in a browser, if I just open this in a browser, you can see I've created a map with my desired center location. I've created 3 circles on this map. So if I want to save this as a PNG, I can just take some screen snipping tool and save it as a PNG, but now we are going to use browser automation for doing that. So the code which we are going to use is basically you will import Selenium WebDriver. So let me try to do that. I'll just write from Selenium import WebDriver. So I'm going to create a Firefox window for that. So basically I'm going to write driver equal to WebDriver.Firefox. So basically you are saying open Firefox, and then you need the URL of the map object HTML file, right? So I'm going to derive the URL first. So I'm going to write map URL equal to, I'm going to create a string. I'm going to write, so basically I've created a URL out of this output.html. So what it is basically you have to, in order to open a file in browser, you have to write file colon slash slash, and here I'm giving os.getCwd. That means os.get current working directory. So os is basically a module in Python. I've imported here, I've written import os, and then I've written os.getCwd. That means I'll give the correct working directory path, and then I will get the map file name, which is output.html. So basically you have constructed the file path so that you can open it in a browser. So once you constructed the file path, you just write driver.get map URL. In order to make the map load its assets from the internet, I'm going to make the browser wait for 5 seconds. So how I'm going to do that is basically I will import the time module, and I will write time.sleep 5, so that my Python code execution will be stopped for 5 seconds. And since my browser is open already, it will download all the assets from the internet, and the page will be loaded completely. And then I'm gonna save the screenshot of it. So I'll write driver.save screenshot, and I'm going to give the path of the PNG file. I'll just write output.png, and then since my work is over, I'll just close the browser again. I'll just write driver.quit. So basically very simple steps we are doing here. First, we are opening the Firefox, we are placing the URL and opening that URL, and then we are waiting for 5 seconds so that the map tiles will be loaded from the internet, and then we are saving the screen as output.phd, and we are quitting so that we can close the Firefox window. So let's try to run this simple program now. You can see a new Firefox window is opened. It has opened our HTML file and is waiting for 5 seconds, and then it has taken a screenshot as output.png, and it has closed the browser automatically. And now you can see we got our screenshot as output.png, and basically we have saved our HTML file as an image using this browser automation. So just by using some 3-4 lines of code, we are able to automate the process of opening HTML file in browser and saving it as a PNG file. You can see I've created a blog post on saving a folium map as a PNG image using Selenium browser automation, and I have even given you the source code so that you can copy paste and practice in your own PC. So be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.